Okay, today is the Wednesday. It's Wednesday today, ne? The 23rd July. We in it again. It's a boy still on follow trades. You know what it is? We came back to fish again. Came back to fishing for our setups. I'm late into this session, but not a lot has happened. We still I missed the first candle, 15 minutes candle. I missed the first candle, so yeah. I missed the first candle, which is crazy because I would have taken advantage of this low. I would have taken advantage of that low, but then again, it's crazy. Boom. This would be my first open, dog. This would be my first open. First candle establish a low here and a high here. First open, run the low. We got making decision in the wrong direction. Concerning this low, should be getting on by. I will note to you later why, but is it already gone? When you're not getting in, that's when it will fly. So I'm in this trade. I think we're gonna make the highs. I wasn't paying attention to this, bro. Like, I covered the low, got in here, got my 1 2 2 would be there. You get in and wait for setup to happen. So basically what the reason I'm getting in on this, we have a low, we have this gap, we have the gap, we have the first open taking out this low, coming back inside, this fair value gap turning to inversion, leaving two fair value gaps going up. Tapped into the first one, the second one looked like it was holding. So this is one of the reversal trade setup I would get in on. Like now I'm in. And price is still stuck there basically. I'm in risking this one bull candle. Oh man, and price is heavy. This one candle could cost me 3% if it go against me. It will cost me 3% if it go against me. But when it goes in your direction, I don't know how they calculate these things, man. It's like they're reducing the amount in your favor and adding the amount against you. It's just crazy. Okay, we in. What we will have to do is just to wait for price to play. There is nothing we can do once we in except waiting. If I was focusing really on price, I could have got a better entry here in this fair value game. But now I have got in on a close of this, which is also crazy. Which is also crazy. Let your probabilities play, man. Let your probabilities play. While we're waiting for our probabilities, make sure you subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell, like, do everything. Leave a comment, man. See, it went heavy against me and it knocked us out of a trade. Ooh. It knocked us out of a trade. I wasn't paying attention to that. Like I said, the loss was gonna be heavy, bro. Look at this. 170. 170. That's why I'm saying when it goes against you, it's like the aid in price, but when it goes in your favor, they reduce in price. Here, technically, we have not hit stop loss. You see? Here, we have not yet, though we're going for stop loss, but we have not yet hit the stop loss. Okay. I smell a hand here. I smell a market maker hand. Let's just wait and see. So we took a loss. We took a loss, which is crazy. $174 loss, which is crazy. One loss. Hence why I want to get the better. I always want to get the better entry, bro. I always want to get the better entry so that even if I take a loss, it's not really that heavy. I have my first open running the lows. And we run the low of it and close above it. For me, that's a go. That's a go. Oh wait, did we not close above? I'm trying to see something here. We establish the low and close back inside of structure. Okay. I like to get the better entries, but the problem is that there will be obstacles in front of you. So the only obstacle I see is this gap, which we are inside of it right now, because I'm getting the fact that we ran the first open low. That what makes me a little bit confident about this trade. Nothing really. All we have to do now is just to wait and let the market play. What I don't want to see is price closing back outside of this. That's what I don't want to see. What's the low of this candle? 014. What's the close? 013. 3 is lower than 014, which is crazy. And now we get a candle that's close back inside. Which is good, as long as it didn't really come to my stop. Nope, it's not adamant to go up, so and we really don't know about that. We just have to wait and see. It has to like confirm it, you know what I mean? Because there's a whole lot of manipulations happening here. I can see that. I'm in this trade simply because of the setup. First open, run a low, second candle closed inside, and we finally closed above the first open. So that's why I'm in this trade. Simply for that reason, I'm gonna hold it. The outcome is L or W. You just have to wait for one of the two, L or W. We already took the L on the first trade. Now if we take an L again on this one, we're done for the day. Let the numbers play. What? Nah bro, look at this. We got stopped out again here, but price here did not really. Okay, today was not a good day, so I'm done for the day, bro. I took 2 heavy losses, $174 and 138. Let's do the math. So total is $314, a loss, $314, a loss. Done for the day. We took a loss with a chest.